So now let's see how we can work around with Vibrance inside a Photopea. So over here you can see that I have this image with colors right here, and some of the colors are very strong while others are weak. So if I just want to work around with the weak colors and enhance them, then I can go around onto image, then I can go around onto adjustment and work around with Vibrance right here. So you can see that I got saturation and vibrance in the Vibrance window right here. Saturation affects the overall color irrespective of whether they are strong or not. But if I were to go around onto Vibrance, then it only affects out the weak colors right here. If I were to bring down the Vibrance right here, then you can see that which colors are there. So you can see that these colors right here, these areas right here are less. I have less colors right here. So if I were to increase out the brightness, then you can just bring out the colors of these areas as well, just like this. So now it affects out the weak colors as well. Then you can go around and balance it out with saturation to go around and then get the effect that you want. So this is the after right here, and you can see that you can bring up the colors a bit using Vibrance right here, just like this. So that is how you can work around with Vibrance inside of Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.